Guys, it's me Ashish and you're watching my channel, and in this video we are going to give a shot on how to make a number guessing game. So let's get started straight to the point. In the number guessing game, let me give you some examples. In the number guessing game, computer generates a random number for you, let's say 2. Okay, now then we will ask you a bunch of inputs such as guess the number of that generated number. If you type 1, that's going to be too low. If it's 3, that's going to be too high because it's greater than 3, and the previous one was less than 3, less than 2. Okay, so that's the basic methodology of the number guessing game, and in this we have to generate random number and we have the guess number. Okay, so let's get started. To generate a random number, you know that we are going to use random. So we will I will just import random. Next thing is we need to generate a guess number, generated number. So generated number is equal to random in, which is 100 to disable the so that don't fed up with my linting, that square brackets, all that. Now generate number. Now we'll enter the for loop to while loop, while true, and in here we will have guessed number, which is going to be int, which is going to be an int input, and I will here guess a number. Now we will write here if the generated number is equal to guess number. We'll write here print, yay, you got the where I was you got the number. Now next is L if generated number is greater than the guessed number, which means that you guess the number which is lower than the generated number. I will write here too low, and else if none of that is case, it will be too high, because we know that above one doesn't execute, below one doesn't execute, then we have probably get a number which is higher than the number which we are generated. Now after this is done, I will write here break, because we know that we have to break it so that player won't go forever to play that number guessing game. Now cd into the desktop. Oh, that is my number guessing game. I will python 3 number guessing dot py. Guess number too low, 50 too low. Okay, doesn't get 90. Okay, that was 99. And to get the generated number for this, if you make a cheating script, as you can see 45, and I can just win in one go. Now I will implement the tries feature, so every game has a try, so the player don't go infinity times and at the last won the game. So to make it a little harder, we will have tries is equal to 9, which means that we have a 9 tries, and we will, while true, we will write here while tries is gonna be less than 0, greater than 0, which means that if tries is greater than 0, which means that we have some tries. And at the bottom here I will write tries, which is I'm renaming a tries, which is gonna be my current tries, which is 9, and minus 1, which is gonna be 8. So first loop it will decrement by 1, which is 8, then 7, then 6, and so on. Now let's go to my Python, and if we write, okay, this is an error, 4, but we are not getting the tries, so I will write here print. And if you are using Python 3.6 and above, I think so, you can use the fstring format to do that, but my lot of audience still use Python 3. That was kind of sad, but so you can use dot format, and dot format just format the string. And now that you have only this much tries left, and in the format I will use string version of tries, because Python can't concatenate strings and int. That will give me an error. Now if I run quit here, go up and enter, and there you can see the guess number is 22. If we have this, and at the last we lose, now we have exited the game. Cool. So this was the basic introduction of how to make a guessing game in Python. If you have any doubts, you can comment down below. Till then, stay tuned with me.